What's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. We did end up fixing the silver trim that was around like the button trim. So it's actually gloss black now. And you can like see like the little like wrinkles over there. But that can also easily be fixed if I just put another layer of paint on it. And yeah, so I went to Walmart and I bought some paintbrushes. It was like $3 or something, $3 or $4 for like 4 of them. And I also bought gloss black paint. And then I just sprayed the brush and then I just went over it like this. So I think this is like 2 layers of paint. I'm gonna go back and paint it again later just to make it like fully like even and stuff. But it looks way better than it did. No more silver showing. And the steering wheel, it looks so good. I'm actually gonna make a review on this steering wheel very soon. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to install these paddle shifter extensions. So I've had these extensions on my previous steering wheel for like 2 years and they're in like really good condition and stuff, so I'm just gonna keep using them again. These extensions have like some weight to it. Like this is actual like metal. It's not plastic. Listen to this. Like it's actual metal and it has some weight to it and they look really good. Like the red, it matches like the stitching on the steering wheel, the 12 o'clock stripe, and the stitching throughout my entire car. So that's why I went to red. Some people ask me why I didn't get a red edition one stripe on my car to match the interior, and I didn't like the red and black combo as much as I liked the red and yellow combo on the outside, so that's why I went with it. But enough about that. We're gonna be talking about this today. So I'm actually gonna show you guys how I install these. And if you guys wanna buy these, there's gonna be a link down below, or you can DM me on Instagram and I will let you know how to get them. If you want to install these, there's actually no tape. And see that little hole? Like a tiny screw goes through there and it just stays on your paddle shifter like that. And I chose this method because I didn't want to just tape my paddle shifter extensions onto the car. 3M tape works really well, but I think in my opinion the screws are the best. You can get these metal ones or you can get the carbon fiber ones, and like I said before, there's gonna be a link down below. They look really good and they feel really good, and I've had these on my car for like 2 years and there's like nothing wrong with it. There's no like color fading. It's been in like the heat of the summer like all the time, and yeah. So let me show you what comes inside the box. So when you order your paddle shifter extensions, it's gonna come in a box, and inside the box is obviously the paddle shifter extensions, and you're gonna get something like this. It's gonna be a little bag with this tool and a few really small screws, and I'm gonna show you guys how I install it. Okay, so a quick trick is put one screw in it first. It's gonna be a little bit hard, so take your time. Definitely don't rush this process because if you lose a screw, you're not gonna find it. So, and then once you have the tiny screw inside the paddle shifter extension, go ahead and put it on the steering wheel and then just tighten it up. So yeah, once again, put a screw or 2 inside the extension first. Otherwise, you're just going to be fumbling around on the paddle shifter itself, and you might lose a screw. But the good thing is, if you do lose a screw, there's like 5 extra ones inside the bag. So paddle shifter extension, 1 little baby screw. Can you guys even see that? I can't even see it on the camera, but then again, it's like hella sunny outside. But yeah, once again, put the screw inside first and just twist with your fingers, just that way it gets a little bit in there, it's not gonna fall out. And then just do that on the other one, or you can do it on all of them, and then put it on your paddle shifter and tighten it with the tool that they give you. Okay, so as you see over here, I put 1 screw over here, 1 screw over here on the outside, so that way once I put it on the actual paddle shifter itself, I can just tighten it really quickly and it'll be good to go. There you go. Boom, look at it. Let's just do a quick check to make sure that it's tight enough. Yep, that seems good. How about this side? Yep, that seems good, perfect. So the good thing about these paddle shifter extensions is that even if you change steering wheels like I did, you can just install them back on. It's super easy. Once again, you can get them in metal with the tape or with the screw, or you can get the carbon fiber ones. And obviously with the carbon fiber ones, you're not going to be able to screw them in. You can just use the 3M tape that they give you, because if you try to screw them in, then it's going to break. Does it look good? Yeah, I think it looks good. Give me a thumbs up if you guys think it looks good. And once again, give me a DM on Instagram, or I'll just leave a link down below in the description so that way you can pick one of these up. And there you go. I will be coming out with a review for my steering wheel, so keep an eye out for that one. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Keep an eye out for my next video, and once again, DM me on Instagram or click the link down below if you guys want paddle shifter extensions. See you guys in the next one.
Corazon. Don't finna jump for the shit all top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the night sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got